On March 31st, 2026, the NCSC is pulling the plug on Mailcheck and WebCheck. And if you're planning to replace them with another free tool, that's a mistake. Here's the reality. When Mailcheck launched in 2017, it was groundbreaking. But the NCSC themselves have said commercial alternatives now offer the same, if not better service. Free tools got us here, but free tools won't get us where we need to be. Free alternatives won't give you critical functionality like MTSTS, the NCSC recommended defence against downgrade attacks. They won't give you continuous asset discovery to catch shadow IT before attackers do. They won't give you impersonation detection to find out who's spoofing your brand. And they won't give you API access and infrastructure integrations that really fit how your team actually works. So if you're in the UK public sector, you're probably looking at G-Cloud 14 right now for a commercial alternative that helps you fill the gap that's been left by WebCheck and Mailcheck. Redshift is a vendor that is available on G-Cloud 14. All of our Mailcheck and WebCheck alternatives are listed. That's on DMARC, ASM, certificates, and also an additional tool called BrandTrust. Other vendors are listed on G-Cloud 14, but they're either only available through partners or they might be hosted outside the UK. Also, they're probably missing key features like MTSTS. So to be honest, you're going to end up stitching multiple tools together yourself. Honestly, that's a layer of complexity that you and your team don't need. Additionally, we're the only vendor offering a DMARC solution that also contributed to the NCSC's own attack surface management research. So, what's next? Well, the deadline is March 2026. That sounds far away, but migration and reviewing options takes time. So don't wait until you're rushing. I'm running a webinar walking through exactly what's changing and how to navigate replacement solutions. There's a link in the comments to register for that. Remember, your website and email security shouldn't depend on services that are going away. You need an alternative. Let's talk.